Thank you for joining us on your journey to English fluency. Today we are going to read another piece of text together. We are going to listen attentively and try to understand what is written. And finally we're going to answer some questions relating to the text. Please watch this video till the end as it's very useful. My daily routine. My name is Rose. I wake up at 7 o'clock on weekdays. I start work at 8 o'clock. I brush my teeth and wash up before heading downstairs for breakfast. For breakfast I have cereal and a black coffee. I must have a coffee in the morning as it helps me feel energized. I prefer black coffee without sugar. I don't really like sugary foods. Whilst having breakfast I usually watch the news. After breakfast I get dressed to go to work. I work at the bank. I wear black trousers, white shirt with a tie. This is my uniform issued by the bank. I travel to work by car, and it usually takes me 15 minutes in normal traffic. I try to get to work 10 minutes before. This gives me time to meet up with my co-workers and to set up my desk. I enjoy my job. It's a great environment and my co-workers are a friendly bunch. We often meet outside of work at the weekends. I have lunch at 12 o'clock. My lunch break is for 30 minutes, and usually have something to eat from the staff canteen. My work day ends at 5 o'clock. Going home takes a little longer due to traffic. I like to sit and watch TV for an hour before having my dinner. After dinner I usually make time to do some reading. I love reading novels and my collection of novels has grown over the years. I go to sleep at 9 o'clock. My favorite day is Friday as I have the weekend to look forward to. The weekend means no work. Question time. Write your answers in the comments section. What time does Rose wake up? Where does she work? She has sugar in her coffee. True or false? How does she get to work? She is sometimes late for work. True or false? How long is her lunch break? What does she do before sleeping? What is her favorite day? We hope you enjoyed this video. For more useful lessons, click on the pop-up banner shown on the top right of the screen.